Welcome back to EduTube. In our series so far, we've covered the basics of blockchain technology and its different types. Today, we're talking about something equally important, the common misunderstandings about blockchain. These misunderstandings can make it harder for people to accept and use this amazing technology. So let's clear up these myths and explain the facts in a simple way. Let's get started. Misunderstanding. 1. Blockchain and Bitcoin are the same. Many people think that blockchain and Bitcoin are the same thing, but this is not true. Fact: blockchain is the technology that makes Bitcoin work. Bitcoin is just one use of blockchain, mainly as a type of digital money. Example: think of blockchain as the internet and Bitcoin as a popular website. Just like the internet has many websites, blockchain can be used for many things, not just Bitcoin. Blockchain technology can be used for many things beyond digital money, like tracking products in a supply chain, keeping health records safe, and even voting systems. For instance, companies can use blockchain to ensure that the products you buy are genuine and not counterfeit. By tracking every step of the product's journey on the blockchain, you can be sure it's the real deal. Another example is using blockchain to keep track of property ownership records, making buying and selling property more secure and transparent. Misunderstanding. 2. Blockchain is completely safe. Some people think that blockchain is completely safe, but that's not always the case. Fact: the safety of a blockchain depends on how it is made and how it is used. No system is completely safe from attacks. Example: imagine a house with a strong security system. It's harder to break into than a regular house, but no security system is 100% safe. Blockchain is safer because it is spread out among many users, making it hard for one person to change the information. But it can still have weaknesses, especially if the rules or codes used are not perfect. For example, if there's a bug in the code of a smart contract, hackers could exploit it to steal funds. This is why it's crucial to have thorough code reviews and testing. Additionally, phishing attacks, where scammers trick users into giving away their private keys, can still occur, making education on security best practices essential. Misunderstanding. 3. Blockchain is only for digital money. Many people think blockchain is only for digital money, but it can be used for a lot more. Fact: blockchain technology can be used in many areas like supply chain management, healthcare, finance, and more. Example: think of blockchain as a powerful tool like electricity. Just like electricity powers many things, blockchain can be used in many ways, not just for digital money. For example, in supply chain management, blockchain can help track products in real time, making sure everything is clear and honest. In healthcare, blockchain can keep patient records safe and make it easy for doctors to share information. Imagine knowing where your food came from, every step from the farm to your plate, thanks to blockchain technology. This level of transparency can help improve food safety and trust. Furthermore, artists and creators can use blockchain to protect their intellectual property and ensure they get paid fairly for their work by using smart contracts. Misunderstanding. 4. Blockchain is completely private. Some people believe that blockchain transactions are completely private, which is not true. Fact: most blockchain transactions are not fully private. While your name isn't directly linked to your transactions, your activities can still be tracked through your public address. Example: think of blockchain as writing under a pen name. While your real name isn't on the book, someone could still find out who you are with enough effort. Public blockchains like Bitcoin keep a record of all transactions that anyone can see. While the names behind the addresses are hidden, experts can still find out who the users are. This is why some people prefer using privacy coins like Monero, which are designed to be more private and hide transaction details better. Additionally, newer technologies like ZK Snarks, zero-knowledge, succinct, non-interactive arguments of knowledge, are being developed to enhance privacy on blockchains by allowing transactions to be verified without revealing specific details. Misunderstanding. 5. Blockchain is slow and inefficient. Blockchain technology is often said to be slow and use a lot of energy, but this isn't always true. Fact: the speed and efficiency of a blockchain depend on how it is designed. Some blockchains are slow, but others are made to be fast and efficient. Example: think of blockchain like different ways of traveling. While a bike might be slow, a fast train is very quick. Similarly, some blockchains are made to be very secure, while others are balanced for speed. Newer ways of agreeing on transactions, like proof of stake, POS, are more energy efficient and faster than older ways like proof of work, POW. Also, new technology keeps making blockchains faster and able to handle more transactions. For example, Ethereum is moving to POS to make the network faster and more eco-friendly. Moreover, Layer 2 solutions like the Lightning Network for Bitcoin are being developed to handle more transactions off the main blockchain, reducing congestion and speeding up the process. Misunderstanding. 6. Blockchain data is unchangeable. It's often said that blockchain data can't be changed, but that's not completely true. Fact. Blockchain data is very hard to change, but not impossible. The ability to change it depends on how safe the blockchain is. Example. Think of blockchain like carving something in stone. It's much harder to change than writing on paper, but not impossible if you have the right tools. In most cases, changing blockchain data would need a lot of computing power and effort, making it unlikely for most attackers. However, smaller blockchains with less security can be more easily attacked. For example, in a 51% attack, if someone gains control of more than half of the network's computing power, they could alter the blockchain. This is why it's crucial to have a strong, distributed network to maintain security and integrity. Misunderstanding 7. Blockchain is only for tech experts. Many people think blockchain is too complex for non-experts to understand or use. Fact. While blockchain technology can be complex, there are easy-to-use apps and resources that make it accessible to everyone. Example. Think of blockchain like the early days of the internet. At first, it was used mostly by tech experts, but now it's a part of everyday life for billions of people. As blockchain technology improves, more easy-to-use tools and learning materials are being made. This will help more people understand and use blockchain. For example, there are now wallet apps that make it easy to buy, send, and store cryptocurrencies, even if you don't understand all the technical details. Online courses, tutorials, and community forums also provide valuable resources for learning about blockchain at your own pace. Conclusion, and there you have it. We've talked about some of the most common misunderstandings about blockchain. Knowing the facts can help make this technology less confusing and more accepted in many fields. Blockchain is not just about digital money. It's a useful tool with the power to change many industries. Understanding blockchain better can help you see its potential and how it might be useful in your own life. So next time you hear someone mix up blockchain with Bitcoin or say it's completely safe, you'll know the real story. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll keep exploring the exciting world of blockchain technology. We'll discuss real-world applications and case studies to show you how blockchain is already making a difference. Until next time, happy learning!